Okay, here's a rundown on the Black & Decker 20-volt cordless sweeper. Now they call this thing a sweeper and not a leaf blower because it's not super powerful like a leaf blower. Like you're used to when you see a leaf blower, it's not that powerful. So it comes with this charger. Basically just clips off. It's got these 4 pins that line up to the 4 pins on the battery right here. I'm doing all this one-handed. Just line it up, snap it on, and it blinks, and when it runs a solid green line on here, you know it's completely charged. Just plugs into an outlet. This leaf blower is about 33 inches long, and it weighs 2.5 pounds, maybe 3 pounds with a battery tops. So let's give a little rundown. You can hear how loud it is. So this thing's super lightweight. So putting the battery in is pretty easy. It just slides in and it locks into place. You might have to use 2 hands on that. And it snaps in and you know you're good. It's got an on-off switch right here. And it's not super loud, but it is kind of loud. You can see I got some debris and stuff on my porch here. It's great for blowing this stuff around. Doing a little test here. And it'll blow. But it's a cool little thing for like blowing off the patio, blowing off the sidewalk, blowing off the back porch after you mow the lawn. But as far as blowing leaves around, it'll do good in dry conditions, but it generally won't do good in wet conditions, which is, in my case in Delaware, generally when we have leaves on the ground in the fall. So, but it's a good little post lawnmower, you know, post grass cutting tool. Not the most powerful in the world, but it gets the job done. And that's it. Black & Decker 20-volt max.